Tesla just recently got a secret weapon worth trillions of dollars that will change everything for the electric vehicle brand. Tesla has officially constructed and launched a new Gigafactory, which experts say was built out of necessity and will be able to meet Tesla's expected vehicle demand. It seems Texas is a prime spot for Tesla, as the company also officially joined the electricity market in Texas last year. In August 2021, they established Tesla Energy Ventures LLC, which applied to become a retail electricity supplier. This means that Tesla can sell the electricity to the Electric Reliability Council of Texas grid after the Public Utility Commission of Texas granted their proposal in November 2021. It's clear to see why Austin is such a coveted location for Tesla. Thanks to Dell, the University of Texas, and South by Southwest, Austin already has a significant tech presence. Want to know more about Tesla's plans for Austin, Texas, their new Gigafactory, and the rest of 2022? Keep watching to find out. In Texas, there's a law that prevents Tesla from selling directly to their customers. However, in 2021, the brand seemed to offset this by joining about 130 retail electric providers offering electricity. This puts Tesla in a unique position. They've offered energy storage capacity to many household solar systems, giving them access to distributed generation and a wealth of data. Instead of relying solely on large-scale generating, Tesla may buy electricity from its own consumers and sell it on the grid. If you're wondering what a retail electric provider is in parts of Texas, where the selling of electricity is open to retail competition, in that case, a retail electric provider, REP, offers electric energy to retail customers. Basically, an REP purchases wholesale electricity, delivery service, and related services, charges customers for electricity, and looks for clients to buy electricity at retail. Grid and utility-scale battery investments in Texas aside, Tesla has finally launched their Gigafactory, marking another significant investment in this year for Tesla. Solar roof tiles, traditional solar panels, and the increasingly popular Tesla Powerwall are among Tesla's goods. But experts say this new factory will change its battery game. Like the Giga Berlin factory, the Austin plant will start with the Model Y electric crossovers. However, while the Model Y constructed in Germany will use 2170 cells, Tesla officials stated in their Q4 2021 financial report that the Model Y made in Texas would feature the new 4680 type cylindrical battery cells, so we're inclined to believe this in this case. As Tesla appears to be on a mission to develop as many gigafactories as possible in order to increase output, at this pace, dominating the electric vehicle market should be a piece of cake. Tesla's gigafactories already manufacture Tesla's energy storage products, such as the Powerwall and Powerpack, as well as the Model 3 electric motors and battery packs, and the Austin plant will be no exception. Gigafactory Texas, commonly known as Tesla Gigafactory 5 or Giga Texas, is a Tesla automobile production plant under construction outside Austin, Texas, worth billions of dollars. According to the Austin Business Journal, Elon Musk, the factory's CEO, announced on Twitter that it will cost $10 billion or more over time and will employ at least 20,000 people directly and 100,000 people indirectly. According to Mike Ramsey, VP, Analyst, Automotive and Smart Mobility at Gartner, the state has emerged as a quite strong competition to Silicon Valley, particularly in the influx of entrepreneurs. A lack of income tax is a major draw for high-tech companies. Texas is one of the only 9 states that does not have a state income tax. As we mentioned earlier, Tesla is generally attempting to improve battery technology, as evidenced by the new 4680 cells. According to IEEE Spectrum, the 4680 cell has 5 times the storage capacity and 6 times the power of its predecessor, the 2170 cell. Given that the 4680 cell is 5.5 times larger, this increased capacity results in a 16% longer range for an electric vehicle. Tesla's goal is to reach 100 gigawatt-hours of capacity by 2023 and 3,000 gigawatt-hours by 2030. But scaling up production capacity at the required rate is a technical barrier. The tabless design of the 4680 cells has 2 benefits. It simplifies the production process and reduces the risk of overheating because the battery has a lower electrical resistance. The new cells have the potential to reduce the cost per kilowatt-hour of storage capacity by 56%. Tesla has actually constructed many utility-scale energy storage systems around the world, including one east of Los Angeles, one in Monterey, California, and two in Australia, one in Geelong, Victoria, and the other in Adelaide, South Australia. On the other hand, the brand is yet to build up these systems as a retail electricity provider. Tesla's large batteries, on the other hand, are more likely to assist other companies in energy creation, storage, and consumption. So why Texas? The reason IT and other businesses are drawn to Austin, they believe it's the type of city where the company can grow. Tesla's decision appeared to be influenced by other reasons. Site selection varies by business, but there are simple requirements for car sites. You need a labor supply, so it shouldn't be in a particularly rural zone. Living in an area with a network of suppliers is also advantageous. Thus, the South and Midwest are potential options. Texas is a favorable landing spot because of its proximity to the East Coast, while Tesla's other activities are further west. According to Elon Musk, Tesla Incorporated is more than just a car company. That ambition, which has been pushed aside by the problems of vehicle production for years, is finally coming into focus. Musk's electric car company is putting forth a strong push in 2022 to become a larger supplier of energy storage, both for individual households and the power grid as a whole, and Giga Texas is at the heart of this. Tesla's new plant in Austin is a key milestone for the firm, as it will also allow it to expand manufacturing capacity across all existing car models as well as the upcoming Cybertruck, Roadster, and Semi. Some have speculated that the new 4680 cells with a structural battery pack will be used in the first electric vehicles from the new factory. But the reported efficiency does not appear to be large enough to be the new battery cells. Over the next few years, Tesla may undertake various battery modifications at Giga Texas and other factories, but signs suggest that Giga Texas will start with 2170 cell LFP batteries. Electric cars have long been seen as a gateway to solar, as charging a car results in a significant increase in household electric bills, which solar can help offset over time. Musk estimated that a two-car home with both gas vehicles replaced with EVs would have its power consumption doubled in October. Customers who spend tens of thousands of dollars on Tesla's solar equipment are aggressively encouraged to purchase a Powerwall as well. More than 250,000 of them have been deployed around the world so far. Tesla's macro projects are also expected to gain traction this year. For utilities under pressure to save costs, battery storage for renewable energy is an appealing option. According to interviews with several industry analysts conducted by the Austin Business Journal, the Gigafactory is critical to the company's production ambitions. By 2023, Texas will be Tesla's main production artery, one of many analysts said. The Tesla Gigafactory received state tax incentives for roughly $50 million through the Texas Tax Code Chapter 313 scheme. Tesla estimates that the factory will generate $65 million in local tax returns, with the majority of the jobs being low-wage. According to recent local speculations, Tesla is also considering a big megapack project at Gigafactory Texas to complement its planned massive solar system and address worries about the state's unreliable power grid. More than 5 years after Musk's demo models helped persuade Tesla shareholders to agree to a $2 billion takeover of solar panel installer SolarCity, the solar roof looks nice and is popular with consumers, but it remains pricey and difficult to install. The acquisition was fraught with issues. Musk was SolarCity's chairman and largest shareholder. His cousins controlled the company day-to-day and are now the subject of a Tesla shareholder lawsuit. Musk has stated that he recused himself from the deal, but court papers show that he was still actively involved, even openly lobbying for it with bankers and investors. None of this appears to have had any long-lasting effect on the stock. The brand and Musk believe Tesla will be a true mass producer of electric automobiles by the end of the year, thanks to the Austin factory. By 2023, the American car maker may be able to produce 1.3 million automobiles worldwide. If it succeeds, it will overtake well-known legacy brands such as Volvo and Toyota. According to Wedbush securities analysts, the Berlin and Austin plants will boost the company's production capacity to almost 2 million vehicles per year. And with Tesla's macro projects, the brand is sure to see accelerated growth. What impact do you think Giga Texas will have on Tesla's growth? Comment down below.